Hi, my name is Florian Hammetner and I'm in the promotion and training team. The market launch of the newly developed Impress round baler saw us set new standards in the round baler segment. Now we are taking development to the next level with the new Impress 3000 series. It is more powerful, more reliable and even easier to maintain. Many specifications and needs defined by our customers have been implemented in the new equipment variants to make the Impress even better. The driveline is now equipped with a rotor-free wheel. The rotating dynamic mass inside the machine is decoupled from the driveline. An integrated ratchet clutch is installed in the rotor drive gear. This means it applies less load on the drive chains and sprockets and minimizes wear. A larger oil reservoir with a capacity of 7.2 liters, an optimized oil pump, and 2 application brushes on each side ensure optimum oiling of the drive chains. The proven floating pickup now features automatic lifting on all Impress Pro machines. When the machine detects the tractor's reversing signal, the pickup raises automatically. The new modular binding system ensures maximum reliability and flexibility. New hydraulic brake system. The net feed drives a small hydraulic pump. An electric pressure relief valve regulates the braking force or the pre-tensioning force. These work independently of diameter and are not temperature sensitive. It means that you get consistent pre-tensioning right up to the last binding. Modular configuration. Binding unit for net binding as standard. Binding unit with 1 roll brake for net binding or film and film binding optional. Tail binding unit is mounted as module on the binding unit. A camera to monitor the binding process is fitted as standard. Reliable feed-in function thanks to tail binding unit. Because the tail binding unit is close to the baling chamber, tail can be kept very short. This offers the highest reliability in different operating conditions and less film consumption than conventional tail binding systems. Binding unit with 2 roll brake for net binding or film and film binding optional. 2 high-quality roll holders for flexible use of net or film binding. 1 binding material roll is active. An optional roll handling device is available to make it easier to feed spare rolls of net or film binding material. Pivoting roll handling device for easy and ergonomic insertion of a new binding roll. Second roll mounting in front with patented roll unit that pivots forward for better accessibility, for more convenience. The baling pressure has been increased by 20% on all Impress V models. In addition, the bearings are now larger and the roller seal on the belt idler rollers has been improved. New electronics and software on Impress Pro models. Job Computer Series 3.0 with standardized automotive housing and modular cable harness without terminal box. Software ECU 3.0. Software is AEF approved. This allows the compatibility of the Impress with different tractors to be checked. New Terminal Power Control 3.0. Convenient one-hand operation with side grip bar. Can be connected to the ISO bus in-cab socket. Smooth handling even at high operating speeds. Service counter for the best overview of service work. The driver is informed of forthcoming service intervals by a display on the control terminal. A moisture sensor is available as an option on all Pro models. Compressed air hose reel with relief valve for connection to compressed air cylinder optional, only available with dual air brakes. Compressed air available quickly and at any time for thorough cleaning and improved maintenance capabilities. A new camera system enhances safety during operation and makes work more convenient. All lighting is LED. Optional lighting package for Impress Pro solo balers. Optional lighting package for Impress Pro baler and wrapper combination. On the Impress FC and VC baler and wrapper combination, the wrapper has been modified for optimum reliability. New pre-stretching unit, new safety bar and modified film cutter. Film cutter with improved film hold. Additional film clamp for changing the wrapper material. Pre-stretching is performed by gears. Optimizing the film magazine has created space for even more rolls. In addition to the 6 spare rolls on each side, there is now space for 1 extra roll of binding film or 2 extra rolls of wrapping film. New rotate function on wrapper platform. Start. Before the wrapping process, the bale can still be rotated, controlled by a timer. If the binding film is too short to stick, the remaining length of the binding film tail can be pressed on neatly. End. After the wrapping process, the bale can also be rotated, controlled by a timer, so that the wrapping film is pressed on neatly. The new Impress 3000 series gives you increased reliability, maximum versatility, more convenience, and the highest forage quality. New technical highlights that impress. Be impressed. More success with Pertinger.